Hey there, welcome to day 194 of our All About You 365-day challenge to do one thing every day that centers you and me from the Little Journal book. Do one thing every day that centers you. Got this at the cabin last summer, and it is filled with at least 365 things to do to get to know ourselves better, to center ourselves. And so every day we do one, I share it, and then we share in the comments below. So today, it is from Gloria Steinman. I need a magnifying glass so I can see what it has to say. I peeked ahead and read it. It says, inner space is the real frontier. I love this. And our challenge today is to share what I found in my inner space today. So share something in the comments below that you discovered about yourself, inside yourself, something inside you that you didn't even maybe notice before. It was interesting. I was curling my hair this morning, and for some reason the song, and it's an old one, it was from an old commercial, I don't even remember what it was for now, but it said, curlers in your hair, shame on you. And I kept thinking that, and I'm like, well, where does that shame for curling my hair come from? So that's something, inner space, an old thought, an old idea, an old belief that popped into my head that really isn't adding any value to my life, but it's an example of things that work in our life that we don't even know about. And part of what we're doing as we get to know ourselves better this year is finding those things, discovering those things, and asking ourselves, well, does that still make sense? Does it make any sense that curlers in your hair, shame on you, should pop into my head today? Probably not, because guess what? I have straight hair. I like my hair curly. I'm going to curl my hair, and there's no shame in that. Share in the comments below an inner frontier, an inner space discovery about yourself if you're brave. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow to do one thing every day that centers you. Have an awesome day.